Hello students, good afternoon. I am Naresh Rathwar, your economics teacher. Dear students, in the present session we will continue our study and many topics have been discussed in the previous session and in the previous session we have studied about the money creation by the commercial banks. As you know that commercial banks deposit cash from the public and some amount or some percentage of that amount is kept by the commercial bank before giving loans to the public. So dear students, in the present session we will study about the different important terms which are generally used in banking. So you should know about each and every term, and these terms are very important for your board examination. So you need to pay more attention or proper attention while attending this class. So dear students, there are some important terms which are generally used in banking, that is CRR, that is cash reserve ratio. LRR means legal reserve ratio. Repo rate, bank rate, reverse repo rate, OM. CRR, cash reserve ratio. This is the part which is kept by commercial bank with RBI. So it is mandatory for all the banks, and it is based on demand deposit of the people. Many people go to bank and deposit their cash with commercial banks, and some part of that cash is kept in RBI by the commercial banks, and the percentage of CRR is decided by Reserve Bank of India, because Reserve Bank of India or central bank is an apex institution in the country who maintains different monetary policies. And second one is legal reserve ratio, and LRR, legal reserve ratio. This is that ratio which is kept by the commercial bank with it before giving loans to the public. As we know that commercial banks accept deposit from the public, and many people from them go to bank to take loan, but according to the guideline given by Reserve Bank of India, some part of that cash should be kept by the commercial bank with it. That is called legal reserve ratio. It should be mandatory for all the commercial banks, and the percentage of LRR is decided by Reserve Bank of India or by the central bank. And next one is repo rate. Repo rate is that rate when commercial bank take loan from the Reserve Bank of India at whatever rate is decided by the Reserve Bank while giving loan to the commercial bank at or we can say that repo rate is that rate on which commercial banks take loan from the Reserve Bank of India. It is decided by RBI. Bank rate. Bank rate is that rate which is decided by the Reserve Bank of India whenever commercial bank take loan from the Reserve Bank of India for the long term or more than 90 days. So this is called long term loan. And so bank rate is that rate on which commercial bank take loan from the Reserve Bank of India for the long term, or we can say that it is decided by Reserve Bank of India if a commercial bank is taking loan more than for more than 90 days, so it is known as long-term loan. And next one is reverse repo rate. Dear students, during inflation, Reserve Bank control the situation of inflation and deflation in the economy. During inflation, RBI give some guideline to all the commercial banks to keep some cash of their demand deposits at the regular basis with Reserve Bank of India. So on that cash which is kept by commercial bank in RBI or with RBI, some interest is paid by the RBI to the commercial banks, so that rate is known as reverse repo rate. It is opposite of repo rate. OMO, this is open market operations. During inflation time, RBI perform open market operation, or during deflation time, RBI perform open market operations. In this activity, during inflation time, RBI sell government securities to the commercial banks. Whenever commercial bank purchase the government securities, they give cash to the RBI, and during deflation time, RBI takes back that securities and give money to the commercial banks. So this is a system by which Reserve Bank of India controls inflation and deflation situation in the economy. So dear students, you all are suggested to listen this content again and again for your better understanding, because it is very important and I want to make you understand properly. If you have any queries about this content, so you can raise any question and you can contact me personally, and your problem will be solved as soon as possible. And you have to complete your homework in related notebooks date wise.